since there are many different types of runs, you have to decide which type of run you want to animate before even opening the 3D software. So you need to start collecting references. The more references you will find, and the more informed you will be about the dynamics of a run. In this tutorial we're going to animate one that has a bit more of an anime vibe, that comes across as a bit more stylized, while in another course I am recording, I will demonstrate how to animate another one which will come across as a bit more realistic. In fact, we will base it on live action references. By the way, on YouTube there are several collections of anime runs, and if you really look through a lot of feature films, animes, and even TV series, you will find a very good variety of examples of runs, and you can just use them as a base for you to learn. For the stylized type of run, we are going to have a look at Toshiyuki Inoue Millennium Actress's run, which I think looks really nice, and I think it poses some unique challenges, one of which being that the original animation is done on twos, that is, one drawing every 2 frames, which is something that comes across as very nice looking in 2D, but needs to be studied in 3D. You can download video clips from YouTube using a YouTube downloader, and you can convert them to image sequences. Make sure you convert them to image sequences that run at the frame per second you need to have in Maya. By default, Maya runs at 24 frames per second, but in practice it depends on the project. On TV projects, you often animate on 25 frames per second, while on games, you often animate on 30 frames per second. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to animate at 24 frames per second. Anyhow, you can use the links in the resources to download the frame sequences of these references.